Ever seen Apple's sleek comparison demo? Want to create the same stunning effect right inside PowerPoint? Let me show you how within 2 minutes. Today, we are creating a clean modern comparison slider effect in PowerPoint, perfect for product showcase and before and after visuals. Start with two high quality, well edited images. Make sure the main object like the watch is centered in both images. This positioning helps the morph transition to work like a magic. Go to align center and then align middle. After that, send the top image to back. Let's enhance it. Insert a line between both the images half. Use the eyedropper tool to match the line color to your product. Adjust the thickness and align it to the left. Insert short and clear text on the left side. Now, duplicate the slide. On the second slide, select the line and align it to the center. Then, select the top image, go to picture format, select crop and crop it right down the middle, showing only half. Here comes the best part. Go to transition, choose morph, watch how smoothly the slider reveals the comparison and reduce the duration for a sleek effect. Clean, modern and professional, just like a Apple demo. Don't just limit it to the watches. Use this effect to compare photo filters, UI designs, product versions, anything where side-by-side clarity makes an impact. That's how we recreated Apple-style comparison sliders using just PowerPoint. No plugins, no code. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and comment below with where you will use this effect for.